Do you ever want to post something on Instagram, but you only want certain members of your audience to see it? Maybe you want to share a sneak peek or a teaser to a select group, or maybe your account isn't big enough yet to qualify for the channel feature, but you want to start growing a private community. Instagram has a built-in tool for this, but most small business owners think it's just for personal use. It's basically a free VIP list sitting right inside the app. And today I'm going to show you how to set it up. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountabilibuddies, a digital marketing consultant where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Close Friends is a feature that lets you post stories that only a hand-picked group of people can see. For small business owners, you can reward your best customers with early access, exclusive discounts, or a peek behind the curtain without cluttering the feed for your whole audience or giving your competitors a front row seat to everything you're doing. Open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page. Then go to the three bars on the top right-hand corner to access your settings. Scroll down to Who Can See Your Content and click Close Friends. Here is where you can add as many people as you want to your close friends list. When you're finished, click Done. Now, when you go to post a story, you'll see the option to only share it with close friends. People on your close friends list will see a green ring around your profile picture so they know it's exclusive content. And that's it. You can add or remove people from this list at any time, and no one gets notified if you add or remove them. Keep in mind this only works for stories and won't work on regular feed posts or in Reels. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more small business owners find this channel. And if keeping up with updates like this feels a lot on top of everything else, that's exactly what Accountabilibuddies is for. It's a community for small business owners where we share social media tips and platform updates and meet weekly for accountability calls, so you're never navigating this stuff alone. Your first month is free, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for you. I'll link it in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.